श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येम अक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यसेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नः तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ अग्ने नयसुपथाराये अस्मान् विश्वानि देव वयुनानि विद्वान् युयोध्यस्मज्जुहुराणमेनो भूयिष्ठां तेन मुक्तिं विधेम। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ आब्रह्मन् ब्राह्मणो ब्रह्मवर्चसि जायतामाराष्ट्रे राजन्यः शूरैषव्यो दिव्याधीमहारथो जायताम् दुग्ध्रीधेनुः ओढानद्वान् आसुः पुरन्धिर्योषा जिष्णोरथेष्ठाः सभेयो युवा अस्य यजमानस्य वीरो जायताम् निकामे
पर्जन्यो न वर्षतु फलवत्यो न वोषधयः पच्यन्तां योगक्षेमो न कल्पेताम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ आब्रह्मन् ब्राह्मणो ब्रह्मवर्चसि जायताम् आराष्ट्रे राजन्यः शूरैषभ्यो अतिव्याधि महारथो जायताम् दोग्ध्रीं धेनुर्वोढान्नड्वान् आसु सप्तिः पुरन्धिर्योषा जिष्णारतेष्ठाः सभेयो युव अस्य यजमानस्य वीरो जायताम् निकामे निकामेन पर्जन्यो न वर्षतु फलवत्यो न वोषधयः पच्यन्तां योगक्षेमो न कल्पेताम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि वाक्प्राणचक्षुः स्तोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि सर्वो ब्रह्मोपनिषदम् माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम् मा ब्रह्म निराकरोतु अनिराकरणम् अस्तु अनिराकरणं मे अस्तु तदात्मनि निरतेय उपनिषत्सु धर्माः ते मयि सन्तु ते मयि सन्तु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरि ओम। नमस्ते गुरु।
beautiful. So today we are just to go with the knowledge of such mantras which will help us to reduce, to cancel, to remove, to erase with so many aristas which we carry. That is, trying to avoid, get rid of the sin acquired due to the due to observation of or practice of the don'ts. So there are various gods. They only can protect us. No human being can protect certain things. So your effort is there. So we have made a prayer that by offering the oblations to various gods, we are able to get rid of the doshas. So Indra is one, who Agni is another, and like that. But why? Our life must be optimistic. So in the passage number 6, in the page number 214, which we have just recited the other day. And what is that covered? The hope is exercised that we want to live for 100 years. If you have a long time to live on or stay on, you are able to have opportunity to fulfill certain things, desires, expectations, and duties, and so on. If one is a short-lived alpayuhu, nothing could be done. But unless you are absolutely attentive, workable every time, that you are using your opportunities. But many people are very lazy. They will not have that great achievement because many people, as we are all seeing, let the time go, but not they go. So because they let the time go by just doing all activities connected to body and mind, but spirit very little time, because what would engage our mind is the electronics, the iPad, the mobile, the TV, the cinema, and visits to various places, etc., etc. All this will eat away the time. In fact, it is said 100 years are given to us, 50 years we sleep, and remaining 50 years only we divide. 4 years only we study, 8 years we take food, 12 years we take bath, and other time we'll spend in biling away or travels and all that. So whereafter you observe that our time, but the idea is our Indra should give you enough encouragement and urge within us that we are able to enjoy 100 Sharada or Sarat seasons, 100 Vasanta seasons, and 100 Hemanta seasons. So these Vardhama, Sarado Vardhamanaha, Hemantan, Vasantan, Vardhamanaha. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಕಾರಣ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೋಟೆಡ್ ಓಂ ಶತಮಿಂದ್ರಾಗ್ನಿ ಸವಿತಾ ಬೃಹಸ್ಪತಿ ಶತಾಯುಷಾ ಹವಿಷಾ ಇಮಂ ಪುನರ್ದುಃ ಆಹಾರ್ಷಂ ತ್ವಾವಿದಂ ತ್ವಾ ಪುನರಾಗಾಹ ಪುನರ್ನವ ಸರ್ವಾಂಗಸರ್ವಂ ತೇ ಚಕ್ಷುಃ ಸರ್ವಮಾಯುಶ್ಚ ತೇ ವಿದಂ. Even in the Dasashanti mantras, we say Sarvamayurayani, Sarvamayurayani. And nobody wants to die quickly or immediately. They want to spend some time healthy. So that is the optimism, that is the that is the hope in life. So that hope we should be able to nurture. And in order to fulfill that hope, we should not be having any kind of chronic complaints in the body or mind or so. Therefore, we make in the beginning, Muncha mitva havisha jivana yakama gnataya ayachmat nuta rajayachmatu grahi jagraha yadiva etadenam tasyarindragni pramuktaменam. So ಶಿವಲಿಂಗ ಆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಓದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ? ಮುಂಚಾಮಿತ್ವಾ ಹವಿಷಾ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಜೀವನ. 6th paragraph 214 ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ. ಮುಂಚಾಮಿತ್ವಾ
214.
ಮುಂಚಾಮಿತ್ವಾ
ಮುಂಚಾಮಿತ್ವಾ ಅವಿಷಾ ಜೀವನಾಯ कमज्ञात यक्स्मादुत राजयक्स्मात् घ्रायैर्जग्राह यदि वैतदेनं तस्य इन्द्राग्नी मुमुक्तमेनं यदि यदि क्षितायुर्यदि वा परेथो यदि मृत्योरन्तिकं नीत एव तम अरामे निरुतेरुपस्तादस्पार्शमेनं शतशारदाय सहस्राक्षेण शतशारदेन शतायुषा अविशा आज्यमेनं शतं यथेमं शरदो नयाति इन्द्रो विश्वस्य धुरितस्य पारम् शतं जीव शरदो वर्धमान शतं ये एमन्तान् शतमुं वसन्तान् शतमिन्द्राग्ने सविथा बृहस्पति शतायुषा अविषेमं पुनर्धुः आर्षं त्वामिधं त्वाविधं त्वा पुनरागात् पुनर्नव सर्वांग सर्वं ते चक्षुः सर्वमायुश्च ते अविधम्.
Very good. So we have understand that what we want ultimately in prayer to Indra, Agni, Savita, Bruhaspati, and all these deities, Sarvanga Sarvam Te Chakshuhu Sarvamayuscha Te Vidham. So after having seeking this kind of full health, Sampurna Arogyam, Sampurna Arogyam for running to repeatedly to Sarat seasons, 100 Sarat seasons, 100 Hemanta seasons, and 100 Vasantas. So among 6 seasons in West, we have 3 seasons elected, supposed to be comfortable. Rather, not only these 3 seasons, all seasons will be healthy, because the Paramatma, Surya Bhagavan, is live all through the time. So in Aruna Prashna, it is said, what is that said? That Rutururutuna Nujyamanaha Vinanadabhidhavaha. So what is Surya Bhagavan doing? He is trying to push one season after the another season. So that way, Kala Chakra Pranetaram Suryanarayanam Bhaje. So he is the one who is trying to make the Karya Kala Chakra to revolve constantly, one after the other. So there is no one point in a chakra. The very chakra concept is interesting. Anyway, I think so. We are just praying Punaragat, Punaragaha, Punarnava. So every year it is a new year. That's why we always wish Nutana Samvatsaradi, Happy New Hindu Year. Actually, we are going to embark upon Happy New Year, Hindu New Year, and we are just bidding goodbye to Krodhinama Samvatsaram, and we can review good, bad, and different that occur to individually and see that how we fared in this Krodhinama Samvatsaram. If at all you want to have the Krodhinama Samvatsaram, we have to wait for 60 years. So that is, each year will repeat only after 60 years. Therefore, Vishwavasu is coming now because 60. That's why when once you get the same year, you are turning 60 years old. And generally, two rounds of the cycle of the years, one can live 120 years. That is, you can see two times. But first is okay, you will go by. And for second time to run happily, we need to have the Shanti Shantis. 60, 70, 75, 80, 83, 90, 100. So the samskara stop, but Shanti has got to be obtained through all these things. Therefore, all through the years, Spunarnava Punaragaha Aharsham Tva Aharsham Tvavidam Tva Punaragaha Punarnava and Sarvanga Sarvam Te Chakshuhu and Sarvamayuhu Te Avidam. So, this is Sarvamayadam Sampurna Ayurarogya Abhivrddhi. Now, with that we go, and now we go to the next one, the seventh para. I have just tried to mark it, though these people have not marked. 12 paragraphs are there. Now we have completed the sixth one, and we are going to the seventh. Please repeat. Om tadit padam na vichaketa vidvan.
तदित्पदन्न विचिकेत विद्वान् तदत् तदत्पदन्न विचिके
Tadi. Tadit.
तदि तदित्
Pada.
तदित्पदन्न विचिकेत विद्वान्
Beautiful.
तदित्पदन्न विचिकेत विद्वान्
यन्मृतः पुनरप्ये यन्मृतः पुनरप्येति जीवान्
यन्मृतः पुनरप्येति जीवान् यन्मृतः पुनरप्येति जीवान्
त्रिवृद्यद्भुवनस्य रथावृतो
त्रिवृद्ध्य भुवनस्य रथभृत् त्रिवृद्ध्य भुवनस्य रथभृत्
जीवो गर्भो
जीवो गर्भो जीवो गर्भो
नामृतः सजीवात्
अमृतस्य जीवात् अमृतस्य जीवात्
प्रत्यस्मै
प्रत्यस्मै प्रत्यस्मै
पिपीषते
पिपीषते पिपीषते
विश्वानि विदुषे भरा
विश्वानि विदुषे भर विश्वानि विदुषे भर
अरङ्गमाय जग्मवे
अरङ्गमाय जग्मवे अरङ्गमाय जग्मवे
अपश्चाद्दघ्वने
अपश्चादग्वने अपश्चादग्वने
नरे
नरे नरे
इन्दुरिन्द्र इन्दुरिन्द्रमवागातु
इन्दुरिन्द्रमवागात् इन्दुरिन्द्रमवागात्
इन्दोरिन्द्रोपातु
इन्दोरिन्द्रोपात् इन्दोरिन्द्रोपात्
तस्य तयिन्दविन्द्रिपीतस्य
तस्य थ इन्द्रमिन्द्रपीतस्य तस्य थ इन्द्रमिन्द्रपीतस्य
मधुमतः
मधुमतः मधुमतः
उपहूतस्योपहूतो
उपभूतस्योपभूतो उपभूतस्योपभूतो
भक्षयामि.
भक्षयामि भक्षयामि.
So you study, ನೀನೇ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಓದ್ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆಯಾ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜು. ತದಿತ್ ಪತ್ ತದಿತ್
ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಗುಡ್.
ತದನ್ನ ವಿಚಿಕೇತ ವಿದ್ವಾನ್ ಯನ್ಮೃತಃ ಪುನರಪ್ಯೇತಿ ಜೀವಾನ್ ತ್ರಿವೃದ್ಧ್ಯದ್ಭುವನಸ್ಯ ರತವೃತ್ जीवो गर्भो नमृतः सजीवात् प्रत्यस्मै पिपीषते विश्वानि विदुषे भर रङ्गमाय जग्मवे अपश्चाद्धग्वने नरे इन्दुरिन्द इन्दोरिन्द्रोपात् तस्य त इन्दमिन्दप्रीतस्य मधुमतः उपहूतस्योपहूतो भक्षयामि.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅರ್ಥವಾಯ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜು? ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್? ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ವಿದ್ವಾನ್ ತತ್ ಪದಂ ವಿದ್ವಾನ್ ತತ್ ಪದಂ ನ ವಿಚಿಕೇತ ತತ್ ಪದಂ ತದಿತ್ ಪದ ನ ವಿಚಿಕೇತ ವಿದ್ವಾನ್. ಸಿ ವೇರ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ಸೊ ನ ವಿಚಿಕೇತ ವಿದ್ವಾನ್. Even I think even the scholars, Vidwamsas, do not know. And what is that? Yen mrutaha punaha api eti jivan. See, though man dies again or jivas die again, they repeat back. They go into Garbham. They are fond of this Tanyapanam. And how many mothers Tanyapanam we have suckled, we don't know. So all texts tell us that anybody who dies, he is not dead wholly, but it is only death is temporary one. And take a new body. Vasamsi jirnani vihaya samyaku yathoparani grunhati tathaiva. Krishna in Bhagavad Gita already confirmed. See, just like ಜೀರ್ಣ ವಸ್ತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಹೊಸ ವಸ್ತ್ರಗಳ ಧಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಶರೀರ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಓರ್ನ್ ಔಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ವೆನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಶರೀರ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಓರ್ನ್ ಔಟ್, ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಬಾಡಿ because the body will keep on diminishing in number of aspects. The faculties become dull, strength becomes weaker, and all the indriyas also turn duller. So the skin becomes loose and no grips will be there. Like that, all that will go on. But that's why one has to vacate the body. Pancha pranas are there. As you see in the Upanishad, Prashna Upanishad, in the second chapter, see, prana utkramana is the final one whereafter the entirety of the body content will also leave. So that's why prana is important. ಅದು ಜೀವಾನ್, that is what you call jiva. Prana is jiva. Mama, see, when you make pratisthapana, you say, Sri Veng, Ganapati prana mama prana, mama jiva jiva. Any deity you say, he is your jiva, 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 prana, prana. So that's how we try to make that prana pratishtha into the idols, to make it active and to receive all our worship. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಎನ್ ಮೃತಃ ಯಹ ಮೃತಃ ಸಹ ಜೀವಾನ್ ಪುನಃ ಅಪಿ ಏತಿ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಸೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ he will again come back to the earth, and how he comes back we don't know. See, that's why whatever is left for disappearance. ಬಿಸಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಕಾಫಿಯನ್ನು ಶಿವಲಿಂಗ ಅವರು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ, ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಕುಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ತಣ್ಣಗಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಡಿಫಾಯ್ಲ್. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಟುಡೇ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಡೂ ಆಲ್ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಪುಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಶೂರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ತ್ರಿವೃತ್ ಭುವನಸ್ಯ ರಥವೃತು. ಸಿ ತ್ರಿವೃತ್, ಸತ್ವ ರಜಸ್ತಮೋ ಗುಣಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಭುವನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ, ಟು ಆಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದೀಸ್ ತ್ರಿವೃತ್ ಲೈಕ್ ರಥವೃತ್. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ರಥವೃತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ತ್ರಿವೃತ್, what is that? Bhuvanasya. For the entirety of the worlds, there are three gunas that are present in that. There may be some other meanings also. It is not final, whatever. It's my just gesture that vrut is to revolving, rotational. So 3 times rotation. And what is the 3 that rotates is important to lead to us. What is that? Probably next line we got that Jivo Garbho Amrutaha Sajivadu. These are the 3 things. ಅಂದರೆ ಜೀವಃ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು, ಗರ್ಭಃ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಇನ್ಫಂಟ್ಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಮೃತಃ ದಿ ಇಮ್ಮಾರ್ಟಾಲಿಟಿ. ಈ 3 ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಬದುಕ್ತೀವಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಿ ಡೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ಟು ಗರ್ಭ, and again we will be working for the Amrutatvam. So this kind of rotational 3 factors will take place. I don't know, Tridalam, Tridalakaram, Trinetram, Triyayudham, Trijanma Papa Samharam, Ekavilvam Sivarpanam, Trijanma Papa Samharam. So 3 janmas, that is whatever papam we have accrued in the 3 janmas, probably past, present and future, or only past 3 janmas. So whatever the 3 counting also, interpretation also important. So jivaha, garbhaha, garbho, amrutaha, saha jivat. So these 3 things are there for this. ಪ್ರತ್ಯಸ್ಮೈ ಪಿಪೀಷತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಸ್ಮೈ ಯಜಮಾನನಿಗೆ, ಪಿಪೀಷತೆ ಪ್ರತಿ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ರಿವಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎನಿವನ್ ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಸಜ್ಞ, ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯಸ್ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಎ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್, ವಿಶ್ವಾನಿ ವಿದುಷೇ ಭರ. Vidushe Vishwani Bhara and Arangamaya Jagmave and Apaschat Vane Nare. So, idella talking about the life, journey, death, returning, and the kind of anubhavas that you are going to face through for running the life, and also apaha chat ghane nare. So I think these three lines little require more explanatory thing, but we keep it pending. I try to verify. But now let us go to the next one. Induhu Indram Avagat. Indu andre somarasam. So mukhyavagi, when soma is prepared, it will be given to Indra. Indra Jyeshtha. Keeping Indra as foremost, it will be that. That's why Indra Jyeshtha. So Indraha Indu Avagat. And not only that, Indo, Indro, Path. Path means two meanings. One is to let him drink Somarasa in order to be stronger to face the enemies. And another point, another meaning could be, I don't know, is also let the Indra protect the Somarasam. And Indavindrapitasya Madhupada Tasya the Indaha Didau Vindrapitasya Madhumataha. So that Indra, that Somarasa that has been offered to the Indra, that would have better effect and sweeten the situation, or highly beneficial blessing kind of situation, and it becomes a madhumataha, enjoyable and sweet. And upahutasya upahutaha ಭಕ್ಷಯಾಮಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಸೋಮರಸವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಸಾದವಾಗಿ ಅಂಗೀಕಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂದ್ರನಿಗೆ ಆಫರ್ ನೈವೇದ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್ ಎನಿ ಫುಡ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್, ಎನಿ ಫುಡ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ must have the Gayatri Prodakshana, must have the submission to the Paramatma by saying, Paramatma, this is for you. ತವ ನಿವೇದಯಾಮಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ನಿನಗೆ ನಿವೇದನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಗುಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಫುಡ್ and accept it mechanically, and that food which you have looked upon and blessed, we are going to consume. Bhatshayami means enjoy. So in this paragraph, we are just getting information regarding the uncertainty or maya of the places where you would go after death. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. We think that when you purchase ticket, you know where you are going. Sometimes even not purchasing ticket, you can sit in the train and go, or bus and all that. And in the train you may buy the ticket, or in the bus you may take by. But this is something mystery. We don't know. Vidwan vichiketana tat padam. And yen mrutaha punaha api eti jivan. And ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಇಂದೋರ್ ಇಂದ್ರೋ ಅಪಾತ್ ತಸ್ಯ ತ ಇಂದವಿಂದ್ರಂ ಪೀತಸ್ಯ ಮಧುಮತಃ ಉಪಹೂತಸ್ಯ ಉಪಹೂತೋಃ ಉಪಹೂತಸ್ಯ ಉಪಹೂತಃ. Look at it. Upahuto being invited, and you are one who are one of the invitees already. So that is Soma, and that I am going to enjoy. ॐ अपवा एतस्मात्
ॐ अपवायेतस्मात् एतस्मात्
श्रीराष्ट्रम्
श्रीराष्ट्रम्
क्रामति
क्रामति क्रामति
योश्च मेधेन यजते
यो अश्वमेधेन यो अश्व अश्वनं विद्यते
अश्वमेधेन
यो अश्वमेधेन यजते यो अश्वमेधेन यजते
ब्राह्मणौ वीणागाथिनौ गायतः
ब्राह्मणो वीणागातिनो गायतः ब्राह्मणो गातिनो गायतः
श्रिया वा एतद् रूपम्
य वा एतद्रूपम् श्रिया वा एतद्रूपम्
यद्वीणा
यद्वीणा यद्वीणा
श्रियमेवास्मिन् धत्तः
श्रियमेवास्मिन् धत्तः श्रियमेवास्मिन् धत्तः
यदा खलु वै पुरुषश्री
यथा खलु वै पुरुषश्री यथा खलु वै पुरुषश्री
श्रियमश्नुते
श्रियमश्नुते श्रियमश्नुते
ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಕುಡ್ ಬಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬುಕ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಪುರುಷ ಶ್ರಿಯಮಶ್ನುತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ
पुरुषश्रियमश्नुते पुरुषश्रियमश्नुते
ವೀಣಾಸ್ಮೈ ವಾದ್ಯತೆ
वीणास्मै वाद्यते वीणास्मै वाद्यते
ತದಾಹುಃ
तदाहुः तदाहुः
ಯದುಭೌ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣೌ ಗಾಯೇತಾಂ
यदुभौ ब्राह्मणो गायेताम् यदुभौ ब्राह्मणो गायेताम्
ಪ್ರಭ್ರಗುಂ ಶುಕಾಸ್ಮಾತ್
प्रभ्रघुं शुचास्मात् प्रभ्रघुं शुचा सुखास्माच
ಕಾನ ಶಾನ ಕಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂಶುಕ
चिकचि स्माचि
ಅದೇ ಶ್ರೀಯ ಅಂಶುಕ ಅಂಶುಕಾಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಸ್ಯಾತ್
प्रभ्रघुं सुखास्मात् श्रीस्यात्
ನ ವೈ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣೇ ಸ್ತ್ರೀರಮತ
न वै ब्राह्मणे श्रीरमत इति न वै ब्राह्मणे श्रीरमत इति
ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣೋನ್ಯೋ ಗಾಯೇತು
ब्राह्मणोऽन्यो गायेत् ब्राह्मणोऽन्यो गायेत्
ರಾಜನ್ಯೋನ್ಯಃ
राजन्योऽन्यः राजन्यो अन्यः
ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ವೈ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣಃ
ब्रह्म वै ब्राह्मणः ब्रह्म वै ब्राह्मणः
क्षत्रगुं राजन्यः
क्षत्रघं राजन्यः क्षत्रघं राजन्यः
तथा हास्य ब्रह्मणा च
तथा आस्य ब्रह्मणा च तथा आस्य ब्रह्मणा च
क्षत्रेण चोभयतः स्त्रीः
क्षत्रेण चोभयत श्रीः क्षत्रेण चोभयत श्रीः
परिगृहीता भवति
परिगृहीता भवति परिगृहीता भवति
तदाहुः
तदाहुः तदाहुः
यदुभौ दिवागायेताम्
यदुभौ दिवाघायेताम् यदुभौ दिवाघायेताम्
अपास्माद्राष्ट्रं क्रामेत्
अपास्माद्राष्ट्रं कामेत् अपास्माद्राष्ट्रं कामेत्
which one? Yeah, correct. न वै ब्राह्मणे राष्ट्रगुं रमत इति
न वै ब्राह्मणे राष्ट्रघुं रमथ इति न वै ब्राह्मणे राष्ट्रघुं रमथ इति
यदा खलु वै राजा कामयेत् कामयते
यदा खलु वै राजा कामयते यदा खलु वै राजा कामयते
अथ ब्राह्मणं जिनाति
अथ ब्राह्मणं जिनाति अथ ब्राह्मणं जिनाति
दिवा ब्राह्मणो गायेत्
दिवा ब्राह्मणो घायेत् दिवा ब्राह्मणो घायेत्
नक्तगुं राजन्यः
नक्तगुं राजन्यः नक्तगुं राजन्यः
ब्राह्मणो वै रूपमहः
ब्रह्मणो वै रूपमहः ब्रह्मणो वै रूपमवमहः
क्षत्रस्य रात्रिः
क्षत्रस्य रात्रिः क्षत्रस्य रात्रिः
तथा हास्य ब्रह्मणा
तथा आस्य ब्रह्मणा तथा आस्य ब्रह्मणा
ब्रह्मणा च क्षत्रेण
ब्रह्मणा च क्षत्रेण ब्रह्मणा च क्षत्रेण
क्षत्रेण चोभयतो राष्ट्रम्
क्षत्रेण चोभयतो राष्ट्रम् क्षत्रेण चोभयतो राष्ट्रम्
परिगृहीतं भवति
परिगृहीतं भवति परिगृहीतं भवति
इति अदा इत्यदा इत्यददा
इत्यदधा इत्यदधा
इत्ययजथा
इत्ययजथा इत्ययजथा
इत्यपच इति ब्राह्मणो गायेतु
इति वच इति ब्राह्मणो घायेत इति ब्राह्मणो घायेत
इष्टापूर्तं वै ब्राह्मणस्य
इष्टापूर्तं वै ब्राह्मणस्य इष्टापूर्तं वै ब्राह्मणस्य
इष्टापूर्तेनैवैनगुम्
इष्टपूर्ते नैवैनघम् इष्टपूर्ते नैवैनघम्
स समर्थयति
समर्थयति स समर्थयति
इत्यजिना इति अयुध्यथा
इत्यजिना इत्ययुध्यता इत्यजिना इत्ययुध्ययत् युध्यता
इत्यमगुं सङ्ग्रामम्
इत्यमघं सङ्ग्रामम् इत्यमघं सङ्ग्रामम्
सङ्ग्राममहन् इति राजन्यः
सङ्ग्राम महि महन् इति राजन्यः सङ्ग्राममहन् इति राजन्यः
युद्धं वैराजन्यस्य
युद्धं वैराजन्यस्य युद्धं वैराजन्यस्य
धेनैवैनगुं सः समर्थयति
युद्धेनैवैनघम् स समर्थयति युद्धेनैवैनघम् न वैनघुं स समर्थयति
अक्लप्ता वा एतस्यर्थवा
अक्लुप्ता वा एतस्येऽर्थवा अक्लप्ता अक्लुप्ता वा एतस्यर्थव इत्याहुः अक्लुप्ता वा एतस्यर्थव इत्याहुः
योऽश्वमेधेन यजत इति
यो अश्वमेधेन यजत इति यो अश्वमेधेन यजत इति
तिस्रोऽन्यो गायति तिस्रोऽन्यः
तिस्रो अन्यो गायति तिस्रो अन्यः तिस्रो अन्यो गायति तिस्रो अन्यः
षष्ठिं पद्यन्ते
षट्तिं सपद्यते षट्तिं सपद्यते पद्यन्
पद्यन्ते
षट्सिं सपद्यन्ते षट्तिं सपद्यन्ते
षड्वा ऋतवः
षड्वा ऋतवः षड्वा ऋतवः
ऋतो नेवास्मै कल्पयतः
ऋतोऽन्येवास्मै कल्पयतः ऋतोऽन्येवास्मै कल्पयतः
ताभ्यागुं सग्गुस्थायाम्
ताभ्यागं सर्गस्तायाम् ताभ्यागं सर्गस्तायावा
अनुयुक्ते च शते च ददाति
अनो युक्ते च शते च दधाति अनो युक्ते च शथे च ददाति
शतायुः पुरुषस्य तेन्द्रियः
शतायुः पुरुषशतेन्द्रियः शतायुः पुरुषशतेन्द्रियः
आयुष्येवेन्द्रिये प्रतितिष्ठति।
आयुष्येवेन्द्रिये प्रतिष्ठति आयुष्येवेन्द्रिये प्रतिष्ठति
So this is a long process, a passage, a Brahmana passage drawn from Taittiriya Brahmana connected to the Aswamedha Yagam. And here you see several subjects have been covered, and all that is leading to Indriya and Ayush. Whenever, whoever does Aswamedha Yaga, not only to the sacrificer, but also to all people in the country, in the cosmos, and whoever participate or not even participate, but think, get the information and feel free. So to all people, the Aswamedha Yaga Phalam is very great. And that is being inscribed here because Arishta Nivrutti Mantraha ಅನ್ನೋ ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೊ ಈ ಅಶ್ವಮೇಧ ಯಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರುವ ಅರಿಷ್ಟಗಳು ದೂರ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾವು ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ವೇದಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ರಿಸೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮನ್ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣೋ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವರ್ಚಸಿ ಜಾಯತಾಂ. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಯಜ್ಞ that all four class of beings in society must be sound and prosperous. ಅದೊಂದು ಸೊ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ಸು ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿನ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡನ್ ಲೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ತಾಭ್ಯಾಗುಂ ಸಗ್ಗು ಸ್ಥಾಪಯ ಸ್ಥಾಯಾಂ ಸಗ್ಗು ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಯಾಂ ಆನೋ ಯುಕ್ತೆ ಚ ಶತೆ ಚ ದದಾತಿ ಶತಾಯುಃ ಪುರುಷಃ ಶತೇಂದ್ರಿಯಃ ಆಯುಷೀಂದ್ರಿಯೇ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠತಿ. So they take the advantage of the sutras. Before that, advantage of the samhitas. Because samhitadinda ಎಲ್ಲ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. If samhitas were good, then there won't be much problem. So that's why here, Ayushi Indriya, what exactly we want is, we want to get established in Sampurna Ayus. Though there will be some kind of troubles, but those must not much bother others. So this is a long drawn passage where you get some ideas about Aswamedha Yaga. And Aswamedha Yaga can be done only by a Rashtrapati or Mahachakravarti, because there is a need of commending money power and people power and Dravya power and divine power. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಧವಾದ ಶಕ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ವಿನಿಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದಿ ಅಶ್ವಮೇಧ. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ದೆರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಒನ್ ಜರ್ಮನ್ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ ಹೀಸ್ಟರ್ಮನ್ ಹೂ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಎ ಮೊನೋಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಆನ್ Ashwamedha, does Ashwamedha in German language. And I think it's also translated into English. And as a result, we come to note down among all sacrifices, the best difficult long-drawn sacrifice is the Ashwamedha Yajna. So Ashwamedhena Yajate. In fact, Rama, to get rid of the Brahmahatya dosha, because after all praised and said and done, what did Rama do? Sri Ramachandra Bhagavan has killed Brahmin. See, Ravana is a Brahmin, so it is a Brahmahatya. He gets the Brahmahatya dosham. People say like that. Actually speaking, if you kill anybody in the war, it is not a Narahatya, or it's not a murder. Anta ಒಂದು because ವೆನೆವರ್ ಯು ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ವಾರ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ್ ಅಪ್ಪ? ಏನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಯುದ್ಧಕ್ಕೆ?
ಯುದ್ಧ ಅಂತ.
ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪರ್ಯಾಯ ಶಬ್ದಗಳು ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಗೋಪಿನಾಥ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ತೋರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪರ್ಯಾಯ ಶಬ್ದ? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸಮರಂ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಯುದ್ಧರಂಗ,
ಸಮರ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ, ಸಮರ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಯುದ್ಧಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ರಣರಂಗ, ರಣರಂಗ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ರಣರಂಗ, ಸಮರ. ಓಕೆ.
ಹಾ.
ಸೊ ರಣರಂಗ ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫೈಟಿಂಗ್.
ಹೋ ನೋಡಿ ಗುರು.
As the more enemy soldiers you kill,
This is
you
not
are victorious and happy ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದು ರಣ, ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
ಹೌದು.
ಅರಣ ಅಂದರೆ, ಅರಣ್ಯ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್, ಭಯ. ಅರಣ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಭಯ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ರಣರಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಶತ್ರುಗಳ ಕೈ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ, ಶಕ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ರಣರಂಗ. ಅದು ಬಿಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನದರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮರ, ಈ ಯುದ್ಧ ಈ ಸಮರ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಸಮಾನಂ ಮರಣಂ ಸರ್ವೇಷಾಂ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮರಣ ಸಮಾನವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಎದರ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ಚೀಫ್ಟನ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಬಿ ದಿ ಸೈನ್ಯಂ. When they are facing each other as enemies, then if they die, it is a common thing to die, and if that all they die, they have got different ಸ್ವರ್ಗ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸಮರಂ. ಈ ಸಮರದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಯ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸಮರಂ? ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣ, ಕ್ಷತ್ರಿಯ, ವೈಶ್ಯ, ಶೂದ್ರ, 4 ವಿಧವಾದ ಜಾತಿ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದೇ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಬೇಕಾಗದ್ದು ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಷತ್ರಿಯ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಗಲು ರಾತ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಡಿಟೈಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋರವರ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಅಶ್ವಮೇಧ ಯಾಗ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ there is also the music concert, ವೀಣಾಗಾಥಿನಃ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ 100 ವೀಣಾಸ್, ಶತವೀಣಾ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ವೀಣಾಗಾನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ನೈಸ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅಶ್ವಮೇಧ ಯಾಗ. ಯಾವುದು ನೋಡಿ ಶಿವಲಿಂಗ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಶ್ವಮೇಧ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್?
ವೀಣಾಗ.
ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ನಮ್ಮ ವೇದ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ ದಿನ, ಯಾವ ಮಂತ್ರ ರೆಫರ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಅಶ್ವಮೇಧ ಯಾಗ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್? ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣೋ ಅದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಅಕರ್ಸ್ ದಿ 23rd ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅಶ್ವಮೇಧ. ಸೊ ಈ ಅಶ್ವಮೇಧ ಯಾಗದಿಂದ ಏನೇನು ಫಲಗಳು ಬರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅಶ್ವಮೇಧ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಎನ್ಲಿಸ್ಟೆಡ್. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ separately next class. So I think, so this is a long drawn Brahmana passage. It is in prose and everything has been defined. Who is a Brahmana, who is a Kshatriya, what is a war, and what is Ashwa Sainyam, what is all that. So Ashwa, there is a fertility magic also. Many details are there in the Ashwamedha Yaga. I have studied and I made a note. I write the procedure in my thesis for my PhD, Religion of the Yajurveda anta. So Ashwamedha Yaga is one of the 12 major sacrifices which we will do doing it. Om Swasti.
Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Saha Bhijam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ 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 ಹರಿ ಓಂ ತತ್ಸತ್ ಸರ್ವಂ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣಾರ್ಪಣಮಸ್ತು ಶ್ರೀ ವಾಸುದೇವಾರ್ಪಣಮಸ್ತು ಶ್ರೀ ವೇದ ಪುರುಷ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದೋಸ್ತು ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಮಾತೃಚರಣಾರವಿಂದಾರ್ಪಣಮಸ್ತು ಓಂ ತತ್ಸತ್